Hello everyone. Today we will learn about the important articles of Indian Constitution. Okay, we will discuss which are very important articles in regarding with our judicial service exam. So let's get started. Okay, as we know, part one that deals with the union and its territory. If we consider this part, okay, the most important articles should be article number 1, article number 2, and article number 3. Okay, now let's go to next part, that is our citizenship. Citizenship is not so very important, but one should go through all the articles, that is from 5 to 11, that is article 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Just go through, okay, read out all these articles. Now this is the most important part of our Indian Constitution, that is part 3, that is fundamental rights. So, and this part covers from article number 12 to article number 35. Okay, so the most important articles of part 3 of our Indian Constitution is article number 12, where the definition of the state is given. This is important. And article number 13, this is the most important. Then comes to our 6 fundamental right, and one of them is right to equality. And um, article number 14, article number 15, 16, 17, 18, these are very important. Okay, these are very important. Now second right, that is right to freedom. Of this article number 19 is very important. Article number 20 is also very important. Okay, now article number 21 is one of the most important part of our Indian Constitution. And article number 21A, right to education, you all know that. Yes, this is also very important. Now article number 22, that is protection against arrest and detention in certain cases. Okay, this is one of the most important articles, which is very important to remember for all the judicial magistrate against all the arrests and detention. Okay, so uh, in this case, article 22 we have to follow. Okay, now next fundamental right is that is our right against exploitation. Article number 23 and 24, this is also important. Just read out all this. Next important article is article number 25. 25 falls under the fundamental right, that is right to freedom of religion. Okay, right to freedom of religion. Then article number 26, 27, 20, just read out. Next article is that is fundamental right, that is our cultural and educational right. And article 29 and 30, just read out. Okay, these are not so very important. And next, that is the most important part of our Indian Constitution, that is right to constitutional remedies, that is article number 32. This is the soul of our Constitution. So in brief, if we say the most important articles of fundamental rights, that is enshrined in part 3 of our Constitution, is article number 12, 13, article number 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, these are very important. Then article number 19, 20, Article number 21, 21A, 22, 25, and 32. If one studies all these articles, those are very important. I think the question will be covered from this part. Okay, so these are the most important articles of fundamental right in our constitution. Okay, now moving to part 4 of our Indian constitution, that is directive principles of state policy. So this part is covered from article number 36 to article number 51 of the Indian constitution. So directive principles of state policy, the most important articles are article number 38, article number 39, article number 31A. This is very important, equal justice and free legal aid. Okay, now article number 41, right to work and to education and to public assistance in certain cases. Article number 42, provision for just and human condition of work and maternity relief. Article number 44, this is one of the most important article of our Indian constitution, that is uniform civil code for the citizens. Article number 45, that is provisions for early childhood care and education to children below the age of 6 years. This is also very important. Article number 44, 45. Now these are just read out all this. These are less important. Okay, now the most important another most important article of directive principles of state policy, which is enshrined in part 4 of our Indian constitution, that is separation of judiciary from executive. Okay, so this one is very important. Now next and the last article of the directive principles of state policy, that is promotion of international peace and security. Okay, this is also very important. So in brief, if we say the most important articles of directive principles of state policy are article number 38, article number 39, article number 39A, article number 41, 42, article number 44, article number 45, and article number 50 and 51. Now going to the next, that is the part 4A, that is fundamental duties. Okay, so article number 51A deals with fundamental duties, where 11 duties have been enshrined. Okay, so this is also very important, and we have to remember all the duties given in the constitution. So in the next video we will cover the next most important article of Indian constitution in respect of our judicial service or any legal job. Thank you.